Delhi, the capital of India, has been blessed with many important historical monuments. One such iconic monument located in Mehrauli is the Qutub Minar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It stands 72.5 meters tall and has 379 steps to get to the top. The tower is made of red sandstone and marble. Suicide attempts and accidents from the top of this structure in the past have led to a ban on people entering the Qutub Minar since 1981. However, the nearby archaeological area is still open to public. The construction of the Qutub Minar is full of mystery and enigma. Built over close to 2 centuries from 1192 to 1386, it went through various stages of construction. Intended to celebrate the victory of Muhammad Ghori over Prithviraj Chauhan, Qutubuddin Aibak started its construction, but only the base of the tower was completed during his lifetime. Qutubuddin's son-in-law, Shamsuddin Iltutmish, later added 3 levels to the tower during his reign from 1211 to 1236. The tower got its 5th and final floor from the ruler Firoz Shah Tughlaq, who was in power from 1351 to 1388. Coatl Islam is another structure built by Qutubuddin Aibak, which literally translates into the might of Islam. It is also known by the names Qutub Mosque and the Great Mosque of Delhi. Its construction started simultaneously with that of the Qutub Minar to immortalize the victory of the ruler over the Rajputs. The structure stands on a raised and paved courtyard with surrounding pillars that were later added by Iltutmish. The grand arches frame the path going towards the prayer hall and give the building a regal look. The mosque is in ruins today, but its stylized pillars, geometric patterns, floral themes and Arabic inscriptions display its bygone glory. Added later to the mosque was its prim entrance and Alai Darwaza, or the gateway, built by Alauddin Khilji, which is an important part of the Qutub complex. The Alai Darwaza stands today as the formal gateway to the Coatl Islam Mosque. It is believed to be the first building in India to employ Islamic architectural principles in its construction and decoration. Standing at a height, the monument has a free-flowing cool breeze, making it a pleasant experience for visitors. Another engineering marvel in the Qutub complex is the Iron Pillar of Delhi, estimated to have been built as early as 912 BC. It is supposedly the strongest and oldest edifice one can see. It has been in the open for years and seen many climatic changes. Strangely, it has resisted corrosion for over 1600 years, which makes it a subject of study for archaeologists and metallurgists. The monuments of the Qutub complex take you on an unwinding journey through various stages in Indian history. Conceived with a definite purpose, these monuments need more from us than just a visit. Witnesses to bygone eras, these monuments are a symbol of the heroes of the past and the empires they wanted to build, which is what defines us as a city or even as a nation today.